So today I'm going to show you how to make a papaya salad. And this is very refreshing and it's so easy to make. The key is to bruise the papaya. It's green, so you still crunchy, but you want to have all the flavors go into it. So we're going to show you step by step. Now let's take the seeds out. Then we're going to shred it. We're going to add some red chilies. They are Thai red chilies. And with garlic into the mortar and pound it. Now we're going to add green beans, some tomatoes. We cut into small pieces first. And continue adding papaya, tamarind, softened, and brown sugar, salt, fish sauce, and finally lime. Keep pounding until everything is bruised and absorb flavor, about 3 minutes. Now add some crushed peanuts. Spicy, good.